everyone. So today we're going to be stamping this lovely running fox stamp running through the fir trees. So let's get started. Just securing a bit of paper with a tiny bit of masking tape. Okay, so I'm going to start with the fox, and I'm inking up the fox using Summertime. And I'm going to add in a little bit of this Versa Magic, what colour is it? I can't see. It's just a slightly browny colour, because that orange, Summertime orange is very bright, so I'm just adding a little bit of the, I think it's called gingerbread, that colour, gingerbread to the fox. And I'm going to stamp the fox right in the middle. There we go. And then I think I will stamp the little fox in there as well, with the little mix of the gingerbread and the Summertime again. I think we'll stamp him over here. Okay. Next we'll go for Fir Tree 3. I'm going to make it so that his tail, the Fir Tree 3 goes through his tail a bit, because I quite like the effect there, because you can see his tail through the fir tree. I quite like that effect. And next we're going to go for the Fir Tree 3 small. These look quite good overlapping because it works quite well. We'll go for, so I'm using a mix of charcoal and polar blue for these fir trees. This gives it a really lovely wintry look. There we go. I think this would make a really lovely wrapping paper actually as well. Let me know in the comments if you've had a go at stamping with these stamps, how you've got on. So I'm just mixing up the sizes, and I'm mixing up bits of charcoal and bits of sky of polar blue. I think it works quite well together. Okay, we'll do one of these in the corner. Okay, and I think that's pretty much all we've got space for. Be one more of those. There we go, and I think we're all finished. So that's the running fox with the fir tree stamps, which makes a lovely wintry card or Christmas card.